is burning bright, the city shimmers in the heat. But somewhere deep inside my mind, a quiet road is calling me. A blanket made of silent snow covered every field in white, where every breath became a cloud and every dream felt soft and light. Some memories never melt away, no matter where the seasons go. I close my eyes and I'm right there, watching crystal rivers flow. Winter still remains inside my heart today. Even when July is shining, snowflakes never fade away. Every frozen tree, every peaceful sky lives forever in the places time could never say goodbye. Winter still remains. Footsteps singing in the snow, leaving stories no one knew. Morning painted everything with silver skies and crystal blue. The quiet wind knew every name, whispering through sleeping pines. Nothing rushed and nothing feared, only endless peaceful time. The world keeps running faster now, but winter taught me how to stay. Hear the silence breathing slow and let my worries drift away. Winter still remains inside my heart today. Even when July is shining, snowflakes never fade away. Every frozen tree, every peaceful sky lives forever in the places time could never say goodbye. Maybe seasons come and go, maybe years will disappear, but every snowflake that once fell still sparkles somewhere here. If tomorrow brings the rain, if tomorrow brings the sun, I'll remember who I was when the world and I were one. Winter still remains like a gentle melody. Every mountain dressed in white still sings its song to me. Far beyond the summer breeze, past the endless blue, I can always find my way back to skies so pure and true. Winter still remains, still remains in me. In me.